This video will demonstrate the use of special tool brake fluid tester. Brake fluid tester is used to inspect the condition of brake fluid. Brake fluid keeps absorbing moisture from the air. Over a longer period of time, this increases moisture content in the brake fluid. Presence of moisture in the brake fluid may result in spongy and less effective brakes. This can also corrode the braking system components. Using brake fluid tester. To inspect brake fluid, locate brake fluid reservoir and remove its cap. Before using the brake fluid tester, wipe the probe end of the tool with a clean cloth. Dip the tool in the brake fluid reservoir such that the probe end of the tester is submerged in the brake fluid. Press power button given on top of the tester. Observe the color of the light that glows on the tester and remove the tester from the brake fluid reservoir. Color of the light indicates the condition of brake fluid. Red light indicates that brake fluid needs immediate replacement. Yellow light indicates that brake fluid does not need immediate replacement but should be changed soon. Green light indicates that brake fluid is in good condition. Advantages and benefits. Brake fluid tester is an easy to operate and portable tool which helps in quick and accurate checking of brake fluid condition.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.